Base gang, what up, man? Back with another one, bro. About to go pull up on my homeboy. Got my boy Trey here with me.
What's up with y'all, man? Y'all already know.
About to go pull up on my homeboy, man. He just got himself a nice ride. So we about to see what that shit talking about, man. So stay tuned.
It is the bass. It is the bass. Gon' give you the bass. Gon' give you the bass. Bass, bass, bass. Gon' give you the bass. It's just the bass. It is the bass. It is the bass.
Everybody's waiting for his arrival. Oh, he coming. He coming in hot too. See, there we go, boy. What? What? Quit playing with him, man. Quit playing with him, boy. Look at that shit, boy. Hey, he handled that shit with ease. That's what it look like. Oh boy. Can't see nothing, boy. Boy, crazy, boy. Crazy, boy. What? Don't play. Hey, don't play with this nigga no more, boy. Do not play with him, please. Do not play with him, please, bro. Y'all already know what the fuck going on, boy.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all know what's
King
up.
of the road back.
That's
No car told him. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Already, it ain't bit, boy. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that.
Stop playing.
No game, boy. What?
Hey, where the 5-0s at? That's what I want.
Oh, he ready.
I'm about to ruin all this shit. All that little, I learned what they been doing. They been racing niggas. They been racing a lot of scats in normal mode. I'm gonna let y'all know now.
Yeah, go. Tell him, boy. Tell him, man. They need to know.
Oh, I raced the scat today. I raced the scat. See, what they probably don't know is we just in a little normal mode.
Yeah.
They probably racers in a little normal mode. You feel me? They don't want to see the sport mode.
They're not ready, bro.
It's all good. I'm gonna bring the name out and I'm gonna make sure that it shine.
Bro, niggas done left my doors open and shit. When you pulled up, bro, everybody was like, fuck everything, bro. Just leave my shit open. Hey, boy. This shit hard, boy. What's happening, man? This shit hard, boy. Damn, bro. This shit hard in the motherfucker. Hold on. I gotta give you one of these. Shit.
Oh, on the highway, this shit gonna be this shit's scary, bro. This motherfucker.
Hey, this motherfucker different, bro.
This fucking definitely need a Hellcat.
Already, bro? You ain't been in this bitch for what, a day, nigga? Ain't even 24 hours. This shit ain't enough for him.
Yeah, I'm ready.
God damn.
Yeah, traction control off this tonight.
This shit geeking, boy.
That darn sound, nigga. Yo.
That shit geeking, boy. What?
Hey, this a cup. Oh, exactly. Yeah, that's that wine, boy. Yo, that cat. That motherfucking cat. Damn, bro. That nigga said he can do anything
Hell
with it.
yeah. Bro, this shit is geeking, boy. Bro, we already had 100, nigga. What the fuck?
113, bitch. This bitch go.
Geeking, boy. Fuck you talking about? That's it. That shit stop on a dime, bro. What the fuck? Peeling my damn face off.
If a car would have came out, I could have shit. Oh man.
What we talking about?
You know, just scat pack shit.
So that mean that
came with it.
Y'all niggas that be trying these scat packs and shit.
Too. Yo, don't try to F.
Don't try that one.
Don't hit a Dodge.
Don't.
Cause a nigga like me gonna get out the car. And y'all don't want that.
Don't catch this shit outside in some light, bro. I ain't talking about shit. Oh shit, my bad, bro. My bad.
Knock me
My
out,
bad.
man. Come on, man.
See?
Why that bitch ass Christ just try to do that bullshit?
Cause he seen 392 right here, bro. Nigga ain't ready, man. 392 scat. Yes, sir. This so beautiful. 392 Challenger right there. But this thing pretty, man. I really like this thing. I like that Jab went with this one. There was another option where he could have went with, and he decided to go with this one. I don't even blame him, man, because the all black one, all black just look good. It just look good, man.
Y'all see, I brought the whole Dodge community out.
Y'all already know,
Dodge
man.
community already with #1 community, but now I'm here.
Yeah.
That's like LeBron getting with KD. With if Kobe was still playing Kobe.
Oh shit! Hold on, I might have to cut the camera off after that.
They don't even know. We was in normal mode. He 120 in normal. That's the crazy part. It's supposed to be traction on.
Bro, this shit don't even feel like normal mode. It feel like full sport, nigga.
Oh, it is easy. I'm dead. But oh my goodness, that's the sound I always wanted. And I always heard them drive right past me in my Mustang. I even be in the Mustang like, damn, that shit beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It'd be like, damn, I just wish I could I don't want to feel it.
Look how big this shit is, bro.
What is?
This damn truck. Do he even know where to go?